Shut up and sit down. And sit down. And sit down.
Okay, so we're back to our 52 Ford truck. We had some really awesome footage of us getting this rear end prepared, cleaned up. We got the brackets, I plasma cut the brackets off. Then EJ and I spent some time with a grinder, a flap wheel, and a wire brush and really cleaned this rear end up. So it's looking pretty good. Yesterday, EJ got the 4-link mocked up. It's just tacked in. Right now, he's going to check the travel on it, which is why we just tack it instead of finish welding it to start. Make sure the travel's good, that we have our full range that he's looking for, and stuff. I'm not sure what you were doing, but
Jack stand was getting in the way.
Jack stand was in the way.
Motion out of it. So we had a couple of hiccups when we were putting it together. Gary said we had it filmed with it. Neither here nor there at the moment. This bracket that holds our running board up just happened to land exactly where our 4-link needed to mount. So I took cut-off wheel. We got these rivets cut off, and we'll just move this bracket. I made a mark at the height, and we'll have to drill some new holes in the running boards when we go to mount those. Other than that, this all laid out well. Generally, these rear mounts would be up under the axle, but with the way this frame is set up, this seemed to work the best to get our 4-links parallel to the ground there. So we've done that. I'll probably remove these shock mounts back here, and I've got another bracket for this to mount underneath here for our coilovers. The Panhard bar setup that we got with our Ride Tech kit also was not going to work with this setup, so I took the Panhard bar in the bender, just did a slight bend in it, and I relocated it so we could run it off the center section right over, and that all seems to be working really well.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
Alright, so here's all the pieces tacked together on the passenger side here. And as you can see, I've actually started welding them up here on the driver's side. You can get an idea of what we're going for, what this is going to look like here once it's all finished up. I've done welded up, boxed in on this side. There's our other bracket here for the driver's side that holds the bottom of that control arm. And then next video you see this little area here, we're going to get that all boxed in, finished up, and get the rest of it welded, get those bolts in. So hopefully here soon we can get these tires on, see what our ride height's going to be once we drop the motor in, and we can start dropping this cab down.
Shut up and sit down.